Hey, I'm David.
I'm Darlene.
In case you guys don't know us, we are, what is our title?
Digital Learning Coaches.
Digital Learning Coaches, yes, that's what we are. And so we're going to be helping you guys out on a one-to-one basis, but we also decided that we wanted to create a Tech Byte. So you want to explain what we're going to try to do?
So our goal is to give you a 2, maybe 3-minute video on something that's going to help you be more efficient, integrate technology in your classroom, or just plain help you as a teacher.
Okay, and we're going to hopefully try to produce one of these every week on stuff that we discover or stuff that teachers share with us. And this week we're going to be leading you through creating contact list in your Google Gmail account. And so, do you want to add anything?
So that should hopefully help you when you want to send things out to your students. You'll have just your period or core, and all you have to do is click and it will automatically send to all those students without having to manually input all their email addresses. Hope you enjoy.
Okay, the first thing we're going to show you is how to run the report you're going to need to have the student data to create the email addresses. To do this, you're going to want to log into aries.net or into your attendance portion. You're going to go into the View All Reports. Once you're in View All Reports, you're going to want to go into Gradebook Roster. Click that. From here, you're going to want to make sure that the report format reads XLS. There's options, PDF, RTF, but XLS or Excel is what we're looking for. Make sure the delivery report just says none, and you're going to choose one of your groups. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and choose my ASB. You know it's chosen when it turns blue. You're going to want to make sure it has student name and student ID, which it should default to. You don't need the student number or the grade level. So then I'm just going to go ahead and hit Run Report. At the bottom of your screen, you're going to see the file come up. Just go ahead and click the file. And now you have the gradebook roster you need. From here, we actually need to create the email address. So under where it says student ID number, you're going to notice just their actual ID number. I need to make that into an email address. To do that, I'm just going to put the @vistausd.org in. But I need to do that for every student. So to save time, I'm just going to highlight the @vistausd up in the bar and hit Control-C. Now I've copied it and I'm just going to paste it up in the bar behind each one of their email addresses. Now that we have all of the @VIA-USD behind their student number, we're ready to go ahead and copy them. To copy them, grab the first one, just hold down the bar and all the way down until you've selected them all, and go Control-C again. We've just copied that and now we're ready to go into the actual Google. So from here, you're going to open up Google for you. Okay, so when you open back up, go back to your web page, you're going to have this view report. You can close it, you don't need it anymore. Go ahead and open a new tab. And you're going to go ahead and click on the little squares and you can go straight into contacts. Once you're in contacts, you're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says I want a new group. I need to create a new group. So click on that. You're going to title the group whatever you want. So for this, I'm going to put ASB 2014-2015 because it's a previous group I've had last year. I'm going to hit OK. Okay, I've just created my new group. And in here I should see that pop up, ASB 2014-2015. And if you look, there's no contacts. So to add my contacts, I'm going to go into this plus symbol here, right here, the little person. Click the button. Remember, I've already copied all of those email addresses, so I'm just going to go Control-V or Control-Paste, and it's going to put them all into the screen and push Add. Now I have my entire ASB contact group list. You're going to want to go ahead and repeat that process for every class you have or every group you want to create.
Okay, now that Darlene has showed you how to create those contact groups, I'm going to show you really quickly what you can do and how to use them. So if you are in your email account, you go to Compose, okay, and you start typing in whatever you call that contact group. In my case, it's 8th grade humanities, so let's see, 8th. Come on. Oh, it's not showing up. I forgot what I call this. Try humanities. You'll see it pops right up and it automatically pulls up all my students' names. I'll say important document and then I'll go attach. I can attach from my Google Drive. I can pull anything off of my Google Drive and send it to my students. I'm going to send them a design shark, hit send, and with the push of a button, everybody in that class has that document or whatever it is that you wanted to share with them. So I'm going to go ahead. Right, hope you've enjoyed this week's Tech Byte.
We'll see you next week.
Send us any ideas if there's anything that you discover or you would like to have us research. We'd be happy to feature it in our next Tech Byte.
You can get a hold of us at vitatechcoaches@vistausd.org.